Today we have... Oh, hang on a minute, this is a kid-friendly video. Right, today we have something a little different. We have in our possession some kid-friendly iClever wireless headphones. They have a Bluetooth 5.2 headset. To be honest, not a standout well-known brand, with these ones today being the BTH12s, and they're purchasable off the Amazon website for only £25. Yes, that's 31 in US dollars. So these are the blue versions. There are a number of colours to choose from though, but these ones do have a nice matte blue finish. Very lovely. They are fully extendable, foldable, with a pretty good feeling padded headband and actually nice feeling earpads, although they don't seem to be replaceable.
Nope.
I'm not going to even try and pull them off. Let's go ahead and try them on, obviously bearing in mind that they are indeed kids' headphones. And I probably do think that they would be quite comfortable for those young'uns.
Yeah, G, touch me down.
Oh, go away. Honestly though, I don't feel too confident stretching them out that much. And it looks like we've got all of the functions and ports solely sitting onto the right driver unit. So it looks like we've got such functions as the volume up and down by single tapping, well, the volume up and down buttons. Those volume buttons also act as the previous and next track selections by holding either one of them for just a second. And we've got a multi-function play, pause, call, answering button that acts, by the way, as a voice assistant button when you're not playing music. Tell me a fact of the day, yo.
Fact. Did you know that the Greater Tokyo area is the most populous metropolitan area in the entire world, with an estimated population of 38.1 million people? That's more than the populations of Portugal, Austria, Slovakia, Slovenia, and the Czech Republic combined.
Good to know. We do also have a Type-C charge port and a 3.5mm port for a wired connection. As yes, we have indeed supplied with a simple audio cable. We have what looks like a single pin microphone. The microphone quality will sound a little like this. Right guys, so this is exactly what the microphone quality is going to sound like when using this iClever headset when making any type of calls, or in fact, any type of video calls. As you can tell, my lips are in sync with the voice pickup, and overall, I'm really satisfied at how the voice pickup actually sounds. Nice, crisp and clear, and in fact, with not much background hiss. Yeah, not too bad. And what looks like, yeah, actually is an LED charge indication light. Now let's power the headphones on by sliding this switch. And as we...
What's that?
Hang on a minute, I think I've overlooked this feature. So yes, looks like we've got RGB lights. Oh, you know what? It said it on the box. Down there. I know. So we've got various different lighting effects, like a revolving light pattern, breathing, quick flash, and slow flashing, as well as, yeah, you can turn those lights off too, to save on battery consumption. Connectivity, yeah, it's not too shabby, because we've got that Bluetooth 5.2 chip built in. It does connect almost right away, and you will get around 70 feet from your device before the headphones will start to disconnect. And because we have indeed had the luxury of testing these earphones out over the past week or so, when it comes to the audio, I've got to be truly honest. I suppose because these particular headphones are designed for kids, I guess that's the reason why the volume isn't super loud. These iClever headphones do have volume limit gear switching by simply tapping the volume up and down at the same time. When you repeatedly press these buttons, you'll be able to switch between 74, 85 and 94 decibels. Yeah, I do think this is a particularly good feature, so parents can set the maximum volume to help keep your infant's hearing quite safe. But you know what? Even at 94 decibels, which is their maximum volume, nope, they're not super loud anyway. But one thing I would say is that they do have a good presence of bass. It is a smooth flowing bass. When it does come to the midtones though, they are somewhat drowned out. Instruments are subdued, with vocals that sound muffled and quite distant. The high tones? Nope, they're not really impactful. And if I was to sum the audio up in one word, well, it would be bassy. Okay, the headphones are supplied with an audio cable, and when it is plugged into the headphone unit and your device, the audio level does somewhat drop a little. Not only that, you won't be able to use any of the function controls or even turn the volume up using the headset. Yes, I know, the headphones are made for kids. I don't think children will be that fussy, to be honest, as long as that bass is present. They are funky enough headphones, and with regards to the price for this headset, it certainly won't break the bank, but I have in the past seen headphones within that price range that do sound a lot better. You know what, I guess that the safety volume switch is a great idea, especially for those younger children. I really can't argue about the look, they certainly are bold enough, but again, because they are made for kids or even teenagers. In truth, I don't feel confident about the durability using these headphones over a vast amount of time. And when it comes to the usage, it would take 2 hours 37 minutes to charge these headphones from flat and from a full charge. Nope, you won't get anywhere around the 55-hour mark that is specified within the specifications. I don't know where they gathered that information from, maybe using 30% volume consistently, I don't know. But because we test all of our earphones and headphones out on this channel, using 100% volume consistently, we did in fact only get 17 hours 3 minutes using 100% volume. But yeah, that's the iClever BTH12s. Now I hope I've not left anything out of this review, and today we are going to give these headphones a break-even 5 out of 10. That is basing them within the budget child range category. If you would like to purchase these headphones, please go ahead to the video description down below. I have left a handy little link for you guys to check out. But if you have liked what you've seen within this video, well, why not go and get your mum and dad to go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please press a like on this video. Not only that, please support us by subscribing right now. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on our very next uploads. Talking about uploads, some of our past videos are popping up just now on the screen. Go and check them out, and we hope to see you guys very, very soon. Oh, here's another one. Go on, click it. Nice one. Peace.